In ancient times, in a land filled with faith and miracles, there lived a man named Noah. He was chosen by the divine to build an ark, a vessel to save the animals and humanity from a great flood. As the world looked upon Noah's seemingly impossible task with skepticism, he remained unwavering in his devotion. He diligently constructed the ark, following the divine guidance he received. When the floodwaters came, the ark was a sanctuary of hope amidst the deluge. Noah, his family, and a multitude of creatures found refuge, a testament to faith and perseverance. After the waters receded, the world was renewed, and a rainbow in the sky served as a promise that such a cataclysmic event would not happen again. Noah's unwavering faith had saved life as they knew it. The moral lesson of Noah's Ark is that faith, obedience, and unwavering belief in the face of adversity can lead to salvation and renewal. It underscores the importance of listening to divine guidance, even when the task may seem impossible to others. Noah's story teaches us that with faith and perseverance, we can weather life's storms and find hope and renewal on the other side.